Welcome to the Google Drive tutorial. In this orientation, we will define what Google Drive is, tour Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, share a file straight from your Google Drive, upload a file or folder from your computer to add to your Google Drive, and attach a Google Drive file when using a Gmail message. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Define what Google is. Do you have a Gmail account? If so, Google Drive is a feature that comes along with your account. Google Drive is pretty much the Google version of the commonly known Microsoft Office suite, so the Google Doc is very similar to Microsoft Word, Google Sheets is very similar to Excel, and Google Slides is another version of PowerPoint. If you know one, you should easily be able to navigate the other. Google Drive is basically all your files and folders stored in cyberspace or the cloud, without the need of an actual flash drive anymore, and easily accessible from anywhere in the world that you sign in to your account. It's built to work with everything Google, like Gmail, YouTube, Google Photos, etc. And it's designed so you can create and collaborate with others. You can share documents and files, build out spreadsheets, and make a presentation on the fly with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. You can edit in real time, so there's never a need to save your work. Think of it as a living document. As you edit, it saves itself. This is all for free and comes with your Gmail account. Simply look for the Google Drive icon in the shape of a triangle. Number 2. Now we'll take a tour of Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, which altogether is called your Google Drive. We'll start by clicking on My Drive, which has a drop-down menu. From here, we'll select Google Docs. This is where you can bring your documents to life with editing tools to help you easily format text in paragraphs, and you can choose from hundreds of fonts with the ability to also add hyperlinks, images, and drawings. You can add a title to your document by clicking the words Untitled Document and then type out a file name of your choice. Next, you can type a heading here, bold it and center it, and if you'd like, you can type your message, notes, or letter right below. To add a hyperlink, you just highlight the words you want as a gateway to the linked website, then click on this hyperlink icon and simply paste your URL here. When you're done, there is no need to save your work since everything is saved by itself in real time. Now we're going to make our way to Google Sheets. You can either click on the My Drive drop-down again, or you can simply click on the rainbow plus sign to add a new file to work on. We'll click on Google Sheets, and then it will open up a fresh spreadsheet that looks like this. Google Sheets can make your data pop with colorful charts and graphs, built-in formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting options that save time and simplify common spreadsheet tasks. Again, you can click here at the top to name your file. Then proceed to type in the information and formulas you need to make your spreadsheet come to life. You can drag here to fill in the blanks. Click here for sorting from A to Z. Tap a quick button money sign if you need it. Center align your work and sum your totals. When you're done, there's no need to save your work since everything is saved by itself in real time. The last part of this tour is Google Slides. Google Slides makes your ideas shine with a variety of presentation themes as seen off to the right. It also has hundreds of fonts, embedded video features, animations, and more. If you'd like to see if Google Slides comes with a helpful template that might not be shown in the theme section, you can click on File, New, from Template, which by the way, various templates are available and offered in each of the Drive options with Docs, Sheets, and Slides, all stored under File, New, from Template. From here, you can edit your title, headings, text boxes, and images. When you're done, there's no need to save your work since everything is saved by itself in real time. Number 3, let's take a look at how to share a file straight from your Google Drive. When you're done editing your document, spreadsheet, or slides, you have the ability to share straight from that file. Simply click on this share icon and then type in one or more emails. You also have the option to create and copy a link that would lead somebody straight to this file by giving it its own URL. It comes in handy when sending a Google file out to a ton of people, or if you want a live link to appear on a website, e-newsletter, or blog. Number 4, how to upload a file or folder from your computer to your Google Drive. Let's say that you have a document that lives on your PC that you want to file away in your Google Drive account. Simply click on the big plus sign, then click on the option to add a file or folder upload. Browse your computer and click on the file, or even a folder full of files, that you want to have access to from your Google Drive account. Now it will live with your other documents for easy access. Number 5. Attach a Google Drive file when using a Gmail message. Okay, we're going to switch gears and start from our Gmail and compose a new email. Click on the Google Apps button to find your Gmail access. Compose new with the big plus sign. Type your recipient's email here, your subject line here, and your message below that. Now, you're most likely familiar with the paperclip button to attach a file, but when you're in Gmail, you also have direct access to whatever you have saved in your Google Drive. Simply click on the Google Drive triangular icon, and then click on the file you want to attach to your email. Click Send when finished. For further assistance, please set up a one-on-one tech appointment at the Milton Public Library at 608-868-7462, or check our current program guide in person or online for upcoming Tech Talk classes. Thanks for watching.